The sky turns a strange greenish grey, and somewhere above you, ice is already forming faster than gravity can hold it. Golf ball-sized hail can fall hard enough to dent a car roof in seconds. Some recorded hailstones have reached the size of a softball. Most people assume hail is just frozen rain. It isn't. Hailstones form inside violent updrafts, sometimes cycling up and down through a storm cloud multiple times before falling. Dr. Rebecca Adams-Selin, an atmospheric scientist who studies hail formation, has spent years modeling exactly how these ice layers build up. Her research revealed something most people never expect. Each hailstone often has visible internal layers, like the rings of a tree, formed during repeated trips through freezing air. Which means the biggest hailstones aren't falling straight down. They spend minutes being tossed upward, gaining mass, before finally dropping. So why does hail sometimes catch people so off guard? Because the updraft that builds hail can also mean clear skies just minutes before it strikes. A storm's most violent hail core can arrive with very little visual warning at ground level, which means the calm sky overhead can already be hiding ice building directly above you. Here's the physics that makes hail so dangerous. Larger hailstones fall faster because they have more mass relative to air resistance. A 4-inch hailstone can reach speeds over 100 miles per hour by the time it hits the ground, which means the size of the hail isn't just about impact force, it's about how much time you actually have to react. Now think about what actually protects a person during a hailstorm. Most fatalities and serious injuries happen to people caught without any overhead cover at all. A solid roof, a vehicle, even a sturdy overhang can reduce the direct impact dramatically, which means the search for shelter matters more than the direction you run. Here's where the story gets stranger. Meteorologists studying storm patterns say the most damaging hail often falls from storms that look deceptively ordinary from a distance. Supercell thunderstorms, the kind most associated with tornadoes, are also responsible for the largest hail on record, which means the same storm structure capable of spinning a tornado is often the one dropping the most dangerous ice. So what should someone actually do if caught outside with no shelter nearby? Emergency management researchers recommend covering the head and neck first, since these areas face the highest risk of serious injury. Getting low and using any available object as an overhead shield can reduce injury risk substantially, which means in the absence of real shelter, protecting a few vulnerable areas matters more than trying to outrun the storm entirely. Here's the part almost nobody expects. Hail damage in the United States causes billions of dollars in property losses every single year. Despite this, hail causes relatively few deaths compared to other storm hazards, largely because most people do find some form of shelter in time. Which means survival often isn't about surviving the ice itself, it's about the seconds spent finding literally anything overhead. So could you actually survive a massive hailstorm with no shelter?
The odds depend on how quickly you recognize the warning signs and how fast you find any form of cover, however small. A darkening sky, a sudden drop in temperature, the first small stones striking the ground before the largest stones ever arrive. That sequence isn't random. It's atmospheric physics, unfolding in a predictable order that rewards fast recognition over frozen hesitation. Hailstorms have formed in Earth's atmosphere for as long as thunderstorms have existed, long before anyone built a roof to hide beneath. And maybe that's the real reframe. We think of hail as a minor inconvenience, something that dents cars and ruins gardens. But under the right atmospheric conditions, the sky can turn ordinary ice into something falling faster than most people can run. The only real defense against something built inside a storm cloud is finding cover before the largest stones ever leave it.